Hello, I'm Sara Alcobendas, and I'm thrilled to present you the Art of Traveling collection, crafted to celebrate the beauty of discovery. Travel enriches the soul, and our new collection is timeless, designed to help you capture every moment of your adventures and bring them to life in your albums, journals, and mixed media projects. Hello, I'm Sara Alcobendas, and I'm thrilled to present to you the Art of Traveling. Imagine every special corner you discover: a captivating museum, a bustling market, a charming plaza, winding alleys, a world waiting to be explored and documented. This is a complete collection, featuring a beautiful paper pad in 2 sizes and rice papers perfect for any surface. We have designed washi tapes, ribbons, all ready to enhance your projects and spark creativity. Our molds are delightfully detailed, and we're excited to introduce a new stencil format, unique in every way. With Art of Traveling, you can create albums to treasure every memory, journals that tell you stories, mixed media projects full of textures and colors, and so much more. I hope this collection inspires you to explore the world. With all my love, Sara.